Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to get this adaptive subdivision in Blender. So as you can see, we have this little checkbox, but you probably don't have it. To get it, just make sure your render engine is cycles. This does not work in Eevee. Go to your feature set and choose experimental. Then we have the option to choose adaptive subdivision when we are selecting our subdivision amount. And essentially what this does is the closer it is to the camera, your object, then the higher res it will be. So if we made an object and we send it really far away, and then we checked adaptive subdivision on it, from here it still looks about the same shape because the camera is changing it based on the distance. And so the further away it goes, the less resolution there will be. And it's hard to demonstrate this on the camera because the further away we go, the harder it is to actually see the object. But I think you get the idea. And obviously that's what the Blender manual says. If I pull it up right here, use open subdiv to give different subdivision levels to near and far objects automatically. This allows near objects to get more subdivisions and far objects to get less. So that is basically how it works. And so yeah, you can use this in your scenes if you want to have some high-res stuff up close and some not so much in the background. Anyways, that's how you use adaptive subdivision. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.